In this video, we're going to show you how to install a leveling leg on your dryer. So to install a leveling leg, it's quite easy. You can either have the dryer pulled away from the wall and leaning back against the wall, or if you can have somebody holding it. But your leveling leg, be it plastic or being the metal bolt type with the rubber foot, basically goes in the same way. Just go to insert it into the hole in the base of the dryer and thread it up. Now the metal ones will thread up all the way up and down as much as you need them to. The plastic ones you'll find will stiffen up as you go through, especially if it's a brand new one, and you may even actually have to take your channel lock pliers or large adjustable wrench and give it that extra little effort in order to get it up into place. So that's how easy they are to thread up into place, and then you'll just set your dryer back down, make sure it's not rocking, and if it is, then you'll just want to adjust the leg in order to get that movement out of the machine.